a stimulating medicinal drink for a cough and colds. During the changes of the seasons or variable temperatures, the natural defenses of our bodies weaken. That's why we need to reinforce them with natural and healing ingredients. To do this, you can take advantage of this stimulating medicinal drink for cough and colds. Discover all the properties of this medicinal drink based on coconut milk, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and honey to prevent and fight the first symptoms of a cold. A drink with 4 healing ingredients. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is often used for its color in the kitchen. However, it also stands out for its many medicinal properties. It stimulates the immune system and helps raise your defenses naturally. Is a powerful antioxidant that fights the damage caused by free radicals. Has analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, so it's an excellent remedy to relieve many pains and disorders. Regulates your digestive system and combats gastric acidity, gas and flatulence. Takes care of your liver and facilitates the purification of the blood. Improves brain functions, memory, concentration, etc. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is the best alternative to cow's milk, both for its flavor and texture and for its complete nutritional values. In addition, it's the best option to drink for the symptoms of colds, cough and mucus, since dairy products can cause the production of mucus and delay recovery. Coconut milk, which you can prepare at home, is an excellent source of energy. It's rich in healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition to strengthening the immune system so that you can deal with all types of viruses and bacteria, coconut helps you recover from periods of fatigue or weakness. Cayenne pepper. Many people think that spice is just a condiment. However, cayenne hides many health benefits. It has antibacterial properties. Helps eliminate mucus. Activates your defenses. Brings heat to your body. Activates your metabolism and helps you lose weight. Stimulates the production of gastric juices. Promotes blood circulation. fight constipation. Is a great antioxidant. Reduces arterial hypertension. Honey. Honey is one of the best natural sweeteners you can choose, along with stevia, agave syrup, or cane honey. In general, you should always avoid white sugar, as well as all the sugary products we consume, cookies, ice cream, biscuits, sweets, etc. After all, they don't provide any benefits and weaken your immune system. However, honey acts as a natural antibiotic, since it has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It's very rich in vitamins, minerals, fatty acids and enzymes, which make it an excellent nutritional supplement in moderation. However, you must ensure that it is pure and organic honey that hasn't been subjected to high temperatures, so that it keeps its medicinal properties intact. How to make this medicinal drink. Ingredients. 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 10 grams. One fresh coconut. One pinch of cayenne pepper, to taste. Three tablespoons of honey, 75 grams. 4 cups of water, 1 liter. The amount of cayenne will depend on your tolerance to spicy spices. You can start with a bit and increase the amount. What should you do? First, remove the water from the coconut. One of the 3 holes in the coconut can be opened easily, which we can take at any time of the day. Then, open the coconut with the help of a hammer to remove the pulp. Then chop it up. Blend the pulp well with a liter of water to remove all the milk, and put it with a cloth filter so that there is no coconut pulp. Then, heat the water and add turmeric and cayenne. Before it begins to boil, turn off the heat and add the honey. How do I take it? You should consume this medicinal beverage while it is hot, in small sips, preferably in the morning. However, you must bear in mind that this drink is more curative if you take it on an empty stomach a little before breakfast. You can drink it for the following 7 days, as a preventive measure, or the days that we have cough or other symptoms of cold until you notice an improvement.